we're doing one of our crazier ideas, going biking in the rain. We're on the, I forget what the trail is called, between Arlington and Darrington. And we're getting on the trail at Trafton and heading towards Darrington. Don't know how far we'll get, since we're all going to be very wet. Wearing our Gore-Tex. This trail is called the Whitehorse Trail, or the Whitehorse something trail. We can get it from Trail Link. It goes between Arlington and Darrington. The whole thing is about 26 miles one way, so the full round trip would be a 52-mile day. We didn't start from Arlington, and I'm sure we're not going to Darrington, so we won't be doing 52 miles today. We'll see how far we want to go in the rain.
3, 4.
We have some deer on the trail up here, but they probably will not show up in the GoPro.
Well, don't stand where you get brakes.
The deer are saying, "What are you doing out here? This is supposed to be our territory." There's 4. The whole herd of them.
Well, they're obviously not hunted here.
Hello, deer. Well, maybe the GoPro will catch them, as long as they're taking to get off the trail. You seeing them, GoPro?
Oh my gosh, you're gonna let us get them. Can I go scare them?
Those are different types of deer than we have.
They're mule deer.
We have big, long white tails.
Scare them.
Rebecca.
Aww. That one's young. Yeah.
We just went over
Yeah.
a river. I'm not sure what river it is. I think it might be the Stillaguamish, but I'll find out. I didn't expect any paved portion of this trail. It's been a couple miles here so far. Surprised. I don't think it'll last, but it's nice while it lasts. Not that the other part of the trail was bad. It was fairly well packed gravel. Okay, now we're back to gravel. Probably a 2 to 3 mile stretch there of pavement. Nice while it lasted. We've gotten to Oso, made famous or infamous, what, must be at least 10 years ago that they had the landslide that killed several people. Spawned a huge rescue recovery effort. I think there's a memorial on the trail up here. At least some comments on the trail seem to indicate there was. So we'll see if we come to it. They don't put any signs on these bridges. I wish they would. Tell you what river you're going over. Okay, so here's the Oso landslide monument, 2014. So yeah, about 11 and a half years ago. 43 people, destroyed 36 homes, flooded 9 others. So March 22nd, 2014 at 10:37 a.m.
And we called it, we also sled. We're so massive. See the classic on the hill. It's the local trail.
This is the Oso Slide Memorial. They've got quite a memorial here. It's kind of a walking path, different sections. Places for, I guess, community gatherings, kind of a fireplace area over here. I don't know who can use it, but it's a nice memorial, calm, peaceful place to walk through and remember the slide. This is a 3D contour of the pre and post slide configurations or contours of the area. This shows where the homes were. Nice place right alongside the river, but then completely covered up by the mud. This is actually a pretty good view to show what happened. The hillside on the right caved in, slid down, covered up those homes. This house here barely escaped. This is a sculpture honoring the responders. We've got some dog footprints, chainsaw, boots, hard hats, and over here just some tools and a backhoe, shovel, an excavator. And then here are the seals of the various agencies that responded, helped out with the recovery efforts.